Greetings and welcome to today's session where we are going to look at another number on website designing using WordPress. So we have this number, Kisakye Charles General Hardware Mubende has contracted you to design for it a website. Using any available web authoring software, design a 3-page website for this enterprise. Make sure that your site is impressive and does not take too long to load. So we are going to use the same method in installing WordPress, and then we design a website. It should be nice looking and impressive really. So we can start by opening our XAMPP. So we open the XAMPP control panel, and from here we can start Apache. We also start MySQL. After confirming that the Apache and MySQL are running, then at this point we can now open our PC, local disk C, XAMPP, htdocs, and then from here I want us to extract our WordPress file, which is here. So this is our WordPress file. We can extract it here under htdocs. So it has been extracted and it is here. They are telling us to design 3 pages: the home page, the showroom page, queries page, and then save your work as kisakyeweb. So I can rename my folder here. I rename it as kisakyeweb. Then on my XAMPP control panel, I can load MySQL admin. That goes to PHP my admin. I got databases. I create a database. I can call it kisakyeweb. I create. After creating this database, I can now load localhost kisakyeweb, and now I install WordPress quickly. So from here you continue. Let's go. We had done this in the video 1 and also in video 2. I'm doing the same thing in video 3 so that we are conversant with the process. So username root, password don't put, then you submit, run the installation. Then site title, here we are designing for Kisakye Charles General Hardware, so we can have this title here. And then username I can still call it kisakyeweb, so I put kisakyeweb. Password I can put kisakyeweb 2024 @#. Okay, then your email I can put kisakyeweb@gmail.com. Then I install WordPress. At this point WordPress has been installed. We can now log in, and then we tap login. Okay, we have installed WordPress. So at this level we need to install at least our you remember our plugins. We need to install at least 3 plugins. One, we can start with the theme. So these are the plugins we shall put. We are going to put the simple static, the contact form, and Astra theme. So Astra theme, so we can go to appearance, themes, we add a new theme, upload it. It should be saved on your computer, so it is here under WordPress files. I install Astra as a theme. I activate it. Then I can now install the plugins. So go under plugins, add a new plugin. You can add a new plugin, upload. We are going to install the simple static. Install now. Activate the plugin. We're also going to install the contact form 7, which will help us develop the contact us form in our website. So contact form 7. Remember, in the video description, I've included a link where you can download all these files, starting from XAMPP, then WordPress, Simple Static, contact form, then Astra theme. So we are almost done here. Then once you're done here, we are going to develop our web pages. The web pages, we shall have the home page, should have a motto, enterprise address, location, staff with their titles and emails. So here we can go to all pages, then we can remove these pages here. We can trash them, and then from here we can add a new page. So we can add new page. We can call this the home page. Then we publish. We can add another page from here, and this page is called showroom. So we can have showroom page. We publish. We can add a new page from here, and this page is called queries page. So this is queries. Yes, then we publish. So still on our dashboard. So here these are our pages: home, queries, showroom. And now let's check on our website quickly. This is localhost kisakyeweb, localhost/kisakyeweb. So when you load that, this is how our website looks like with these pages. And so now we need to work on our menu, where we have home, showroom, then queries as last. So on these pages, come down to appearance, then menus. So when you reach on menu, we are going to create a menu. We can call it main. We create a menu. After creating this menu, we can now add our pages, view all, select home, queries, showroom, then you add the menu. After adding them to menu, you can adjust them: home, showroom in the middle, queries as the last. Then here, mark it as primary menu, you save. So when you come here and reload, localhost/Kisakye, you can see we have home, showroom, queries page. So after this, we need now to design the home page. The home page, we need motto, enterprise address, location, staff with their titles, and the emails. So at this point, we come back to our pages, all pages. I want us to open home in a new tab. We can also open queries in a new tab. We can open showroom in a new tab, so that we design home. After home design, we design queries, showroom, like that. So at this point, home is here. We need to design our home page, where we were told to include. Okay, so here we can start the same design. We can put a cover so that our home page is attractive. So cover, we can upload. We need some files which are saved on the desktop as support files. So here we are. And then here you can pick any image that you are going to use for your website. So for example, I'm picking that as my cover page. So we can say welcome to Kisakye General Hardware. Yes. So at this point, we need a motto. we can say motto is building the future, comma, restoring the past, something like that as our motto. We can center it, we can bold, italize, maybe increase on font, yeah, something like that. Maybe call it heading 5. We can press enter and add another block where we are looking at the location and say Kisakye is located okay, we can say Kisakye General Hardware is on Main Street, Mubende, Uganda. For stock, our hardware store is conveniently, so we can say is conveniently located in the heart of Mubende, providing easy access to all customers. Yeah, something like that. Then from here we were told to so at this point we are told to put motto, enterprise address, location, stuff with the titles. So here we can put like a table. We can have a table, so we can add a block, call it table. Maybe let's have a separator here, and then from this separator can make it wide, so I can add a block of a table where we shall put at least 3 columns, and then maybe 4 rows, which is okay. And we are going to put our theme where we have name, then we shall have title, and also maybe email. Yes, so the names, say we have Kisakye Charles, and Charles is the founder and the director. Then this is Kisakye Charles at gmail.com. Can have another one, Nakato Esther. Nakato Esther is the operations manager. This is Nakato S at gmail.com. Then we have Sempija. Can say Sempija Joseph, and Sempija Joseph is the sales executive. So this is Jose Semp at gmail.com. So this table of ours, we can highlight it, can bold the titles, and then we can format it further under block table. Here we can put some stripes, background, gradient, choose any color that is okay, maybe be green. Yeah, so if you put any color that is good for your site, yeah, something like that. More to that, so we can add a caption and say meet our dedicated team who are always ready to serve you. Yeah. Yes. So at this point, we are almost done with our home page. This we can hide it quickly, something like that. We update. Then let's go to our showroom page. So they are telling us that the showroom page should have 6 well-organized photos from support files showing all services offered in the category of building, construction, plumbing, carpentry, etc. So here we are going to put our showroom. So maybe we can have a statement. We say our showroom in Mubende showcases a variety, say a wide variety, something like that. Showcases a wide variety of hardware products, yeah, from this kind of list. From building, carpentry, and improvement. Have that, and improvement tools, comma, we have it all. Yeah, so from there, at least you can visit us. At our showroom to find what you need. Okay, so this we can put it to center, and then below we can put a separator as a block. We can make it wide, and then below we need columns to put our images, 3 columns. So in the first column we need image, so get image, upload. So we shall need an image at least to have, can have that. Showroom 1, we can upload another image in the middle, for example. Yes, we can add a third one, maybe doors and windows. We can add a block, a separator, separate the upper column and the lower column. Add another block for columns, 3 again. On the left we add more images. Yes, in the middle we can have more images. So that if it is too small, we can add another image here. Yeah, something like that. Then the third one. Okay, so you can add some captions if you need. So here, for example, we can say showroom with hardware equipment. Yeah, so you can have some caption on your images. These are windows and doors. So at this point, we are done with our page. And so we can update. Showroom, you can hide it for now. Then more to that, we can go to our queries page. Queries page, they want us to have a form that a customer can fill in case he or she is making inquiries. So remember on our, here we installed our form. So under contacts, go to contact forms. And then there is this contact form one, and there is a short code. Copy this code, click on the code, come to your queries page. Here we need a block. We need a block which is columns, and then we shall choose to put it in the middle here. Then select middle, paragraph, then you paste there. So at this point you can update. So I want us to put at least a background color for this page of ours. So we can put a background color under block. We can put a color, background, say gradient. We can choose such kind of color for our page. Then we update. So when we come to this front page, localhost/Kisakye, we click on home page. This is how our home page looks like so far. Then showroom, this is how our showroom looks like. Queries page, this is how our queries page looks like. We have a form. Okay, so we can even have a color page here, up here on this block. You can have color, background, gradient, can have such kind of color, and we update. So when you go to showroom here, you are seeing color there. So more to that, we need more settings. They are telling us that use the marquee to read as Welcome to Kisakye General Hardware on all pages. So we shall need this as a marquee. Go back to the home page below here. Now go to the code section. Hover there, you click, come to code editor, and then at the bottom of these codes here, instead of this paragraph, we can open the marquee tag and put Welcome to Kisakye, then close the marquee like that. So we can copy this code and put it to all pages. So exit code editor, and now we have the marquee running. Update, go to the showroom at the bottom here, come this side, code editor, scroll to the bottom, and then here you paste the marquee, exit, update, check if it is running. Go to the queries page also, go to the code editor, scroll to the bottom, press enter, paste the marquee code, exit, update. So more to that, they are telling us use active navigational links on all our pages, show the contact of the author, copyright, and year of publishing. So all this, the links are already active. Then we need to work on this information in the footer section. We can as well go ahead and customize our pages very well. So from here, I want us to go to appearance. Yeah, we can go to appearance, then customize. So when we go to customize, yes, when we go to customize, I want us to work on our heading here. So click on this upper heading one here. Yes, that pencil for editing. You come to design. You can choose a background color here. You can put a background color. For example, if we choose color blue. So when you choose color blue, you can edit it around here. to make it more active, or if I choose color green, yes, something like that. Then there we are. That was the upper one. Then we can proceed to now the inner one here. So with the inner, you can choose to put a logo. So let's select the logo. We can upload. From here we have our logo here, General Hardware. We select, skip cropping, then your logo appears there. Then more to that, we can now scroll down to this footer. You click there to edit, go to design. You can as well put a background color. So we can choose that one. Here you can make it more bright. After that, we click here to edit. So here we are going to put, remember they have asked us the author, copyright, and year of publishing. So here, copyright, we can leave it there. Current year is okay, 2024. Then site title, here we can put Kakuru Benard as the author, Kakuru Benard. Then this, even though we remove this, this we don't need it, and that's how it will appear. So you can choose to increase its font, you can bold it, you can provide a color. Yeah. So there we are. And now we can publish. So we have saved changes. When you go back to your front page, load the home page. That's how it appears with the shared banner on top. The home is there, the marquee is there, and the footer is there. Copyright and you have published. Showroom, the same with the same design. Queries page with the same design. So at this point you have completed your website, and now what is remaining is to make it available for burning on the CD. Remember to first make your home page as the default page whenever you load your website. So go to settings, reading, and then from here a static page. Your home page displays a static page, so choose home, and from there save changes. Now let's make our pages available for offline usage and burning on CD. So first go to simple static settings, then you come here where we have replacing URLs, relative path, click the down arrow and choose offline usage, move down and save the setting. First reload that for the setting to be active, then from there under simple static, click there and say generate static files. It will take some minutes, 1 or 2, to generate all your files, and then you will download them and have them saved on your CD. So here the files are done. We can click to download. So I can choose where my files can be. I'm going to put them on the desktop. I can create a folder. I call it my names. Kakuru Benard 010. I open that folder. I save the zipped file there and start download. So after I'm done, this is the folder I created. 010. I open. Then remember our work was supposed to be saved as kisakyeweb. So inside this folder I can create another one and I call it kisakyeweb. Then I put the files inside. On downloading also, these files can be located under this PC. From this PC, downloads, you will find your files there, simply static with additional figures. So once you're done, your files are here. You can extract them. I can extract here. Then they will come with the index.html. This is the home page. So when you open it, it will open your website with the different files. I mean, with the different pages. Showroom is there. The queries page is there. Home page is there, well linked. So it means that at this point, you can now ban this folder containing all your website files. And so you can ban this on your CD. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos of this type. Go to YouTube, search for Kakuru Benard, go under videos and get a number of videos from there. So remember, I've included a link in the video description where you will get all the files. So open the description, then you tap on that third link. It will open a location where I have uploaded all the files needed in designing your website. So Astra is a theme. You click there, choose download. Contact form is the one we used in creating the queries page. Simple static for generating or exporting your pages. WordPress, which we used in creating the website. And XAMPP is our server. So those are the files that are primarily needed to come up with such a website. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these videos. God bless.